today's Sunday share, it's all about biscuits. I've added some of my biscuit recipes up here for you to take a look at. I have a playlist. You can go to the playlist on my YouTube page and pull up each one of these. There's actually more than I have listed. They're all good biscuits, each one made a little bit different, but all great. And some of them are 2 ingredients, which you won't believe they turn out really good. There's some traditional made with lard. Take the time, go to my playlist. If you see one of these that like tugs at your heart, say, I gotta make that, then click on it. It'll give you instructions how to make it, and leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel and share. I do appreciate it.